Hi and welcome to Lesson 2 of Catalog Visibility Options for WooCommerce, Configuring Global Visibility Settings. In this video, I will show you how to configure global visibility settings for your WooCommerce store. Let's get started. Now, from your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now, click on the Visibility Options tab. This is where you will find all the global settings for your store. Global settings control how your store behaves for all users. You can hide purchases, prices, and customize messages. Let's break it down. Under Purchases, you have three options. Enable, which allows purchases for everyone. Disable, which hides the Add to Cart button for all users. Enabled for logged-in users, which means only logged-in users can purchase. For example, if you are still setting up your store, you can disable purchases temporarily. Next, let's look at prices. You have three options here too. Enable shows prices for everyone. Disable hides prices for all users. Enabled for logged-in users means only logged-in users can see prices. This is useful if you want to hide prices from guests and show them only to registered users. In the Catalog Add to Cart button text field, you can add custom text like "Purchases disabled temporarily." You can also add custom catalog price text like "Log in to view price." Alternate content displays custom text or a message when prices or purchases are disabled. You can also use shortcodes to add dynamic links or forms. Once the details are added, scroll down and click on Save Changes, and that's it. You have now configured the global visibility settings of your store. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, visit Sleekr Digital and subscribe.